Hi folks, Long Island Paintball here. I'm going to show you some new tools I got, and right now also I'm on some new video equipment. I'm on a Canon Vixer H FR800 camcorder, digital camcorder. Client Graphics did a review on this on YouTube a little while ago, and I was interested. It seemed like a pretty cool camera, and I checked out other reviews on YouTube, so I went ahead and picked myself up one. And I'm also on an external lapel microphone that clips to your shirt. It was 20 bucks off of eBay. So a couple things before we go into show you the new tools is, whenever you mail something, please do not put what's in the box on the outside. I don't know who the brainiac idea this was, but thank God it didn't get stolen. But everybody knows you don't put what's in the box on the outside with a sticker. That's crazy. So, you know, you get that one bad apple, like, oh, it's free wrenches, let's take them. Okay, well, anyway, back to the tool review. Sorry about that. What I picked up from Amazon Prime Days, that was July 15 and 16, was I picked up a set of metric and SAE Sunex S wrenches. And this is part number 9940M. Comes in this roll pouch, and it comes in 10 by 11, 12 by 13 millimeter, 14 by 15, 16 by 17, and 18 by 19 millimeter. Sorry about bouncing around, I gotta get used to the camera. So anyway, they're S wrenches, and I guess they're designed to get in those tight places. They're 12 point. I mean, they feel okay. I've seen reviews online, people working on turbos, they're helpful. So, I don't know, it just seemed like a little cool, I don't know, toy to add to, tool to add to the toolbox. Like, I don't have enough wrenches as it is. Anyway, these metric were on Prime Days with free shipping, was like $16.87 or something, and the standard was $16.09. And in fact, you can see it's a different style pouch, and it was a different seller. And in fact, this came in this box. It was rolled up in this box. So just as good to, you know, you can read it. Well, anyway, this one has 5/16 by 3/8, 7/16 by 1/2 inch, 9/16 by 19/32, 5/8 by 11/16, and 11/16 by 3/4, which is weird. I don't know why why it's listed twice. I don't know, that's weird. Well, anyway, these are the standard SAE S wrenches. Like I said, something just to check out. Sunex. So I don't know, something cool to have in the toolbox. Sorry about that, my oil burner just kicked on. So that's my little unboxing of the Sunex Standard and metric S wrenches. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you can throw me a like, I appreciate it. Have a good night.